29 forecast.
Beautiful sunrise this morning. This captured from Kenneth Johnston at his place there in Afton as the sun was peeking up over the Blue Ridge Mountains. Now the sunrise occurring close to 7 a.m. Matter of fact, the sun will set here tonight at 7:14, so we're just over 12 hours, about 15 minutes of daylight in terms of those beginning to shrink a little more. And let's take a look at conditions outside at this hour. You can see some broken cloud cover there as the view is seen from Carter Mountain as we venture into the evening hours. Those clouds will kind of hang around, at least some patchy cloudiness here tonight, so maybe not as chilly. 79 is the current reading at the airport, touched 83 for a high today, a morning low of 54. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, we find some broken cloud cover as well, made it up to a high of 76 this afternoon after a morning low of 46. Some other readings at this hour include 73 there in Palmyra. We have 78 in Livingston, 74 currently in Stanton, and 73 currently in Madison. You can see this patch of clouds here across portions of western and central Virginia, and so some of these patchy clouds will kind of hang here for the rest of this evening and maybe for the overnight, but we'll see some stars as well. So temperatures tonight generally in the mid to upper 50s across central Virginia, some low and middle 50s across the Shenandoah Valley, so not quite as chilly as the last couple of mornings. Tomorrow's another nice day. Partly sunny skies, temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s, and then the clouds really start to roll in here on Friday. Matter of fact, the clouds will thicken up pretty quickly. During the day should remain fairly dry, temperatures in the middle 70s. Things will change. We could have some rain in here late Friday night, certainly more likely on Saturday. Yeah, welcome to fall. Saturday's temperatures in the mid 60s, periods of rain, breezy conditions, and certainly those cooler numbers. And as we take a look at the game forecast for Friday night, that's a 7:30 kickoff at Scott Stadium, the Cavaliers' first ACC opponent. 68 degrees at kickoff, breezy conditions, overcast. Could have some showers before the game's through. Temperatures in the low 60s as we look into the fourth quarter. So rain chances go up more so on Saturday. And looking at the weekend as a whole, Saturday looks wetter than Sunday, but temperatures will be much cooler to start the weekend. Now, throughout the course of the week, the European model has been shy on bringing much rain farther inland, but I do anticipate we are going to see some rain. The American GFS model is a little more robust with the rain amounts, but again, some of the heaviest rain is expected off to the east. We still have to narrow down exactly where the heavier corridor of rain will set up. Things are quiet now thanks to a large area of high pressure extending from the northeast into the mid-Atlantic. The clouds that you see offshore, part of the disturbed area that will develop here off the southeast coast, really east of Florida, and it'll be that surface area of low pressure that will start to drift north. Could it deviate more to the northeast? Yes. Could it deviate more to the northwest? Yes. And all that has a bearing on just how much rain sets up. But with easterly winds, it'll be a cool and stretch as we head into the start of the weekend. A cool start tomorrow morning in the 50s, mix of sun and clouds during the day, upper 70s and lower 80s. Then the clouds thicken up on Friday, but by Friday night late, we could have some of these rain showers in here, and then periods of rain on Saturday, northeasterly winds. We could have some winds on the order of 20-30 miles an hour. Temperatures tonight, partly cloudy and cool in the 50s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures backing off after tomorrow. Cool start to fall along with some needed rain. May not like the timing of that. Showers more so Sunday morning, and there'll be some more rain chances next week. Casey and Steve.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. Remember, you can check the forecast anytime on the Storm Team 29 weather app. If you don't have that app yet, you're in luck. Downloading it is quick and easy. Use your phone's camera to scan this QR code on your screen or go to our website and scan it there. The app lets you track the